Welcome to this video on CX in B2B versus B2C and the key differences leaders often overlook. We will discuss how customer experience strategy must adapt to business model realities and customer relationship dynamics. Brought to you by the Series of Thoughts Business Strategy team.
CX is not one size fits all. If you are applying B2C playbooks to B2B, or vice versa, you are missing the mark. Most CX strategies fail because they ignore the fundamental differences between the B2B and B2C environments. This distinction matters because 82% of corporate buyers expect the same experience, regardless of whether they are B2C or B2B customers. Yet, only 27% feel companies provide an excellent B2B experience. The reality is, a CX strategy gap exists. B2C companies average a 65 to 85% customer experience score, while B2B companies average less than 50%. This gap exists because leaders often misunderstand the fundamental drivers of satisfaction. The business model changes CX across several dimensions. These include decision velocity, which is slower in B2B, higher stakeholder complexity, and different emotional dynamics, focusing on long-term trust in B2B. B2C CX is characterized by volume, emotion, and simplicity. Success drivers include convenience, speed, emotional connection, and consistency across high-volume, lower-value transactions. B2B CX centers on depth, complexity, and relationships. It involves extended sales cycles, multi-stakeholder decisions, contractual relationships, and a focus on account management and renewal orchestration. The data shows distinct experience expectations. B2C priorities often include speed of resolution and emotional connection, while B2B customers prioritize relationship depth and business impact. The executive takeaway is that B2B CX thrives on partnership, predictability, and performance, while B2C CX thrives on ease, emotion, and immediacy. Recognizing these differences is key to designing effective experiences. Next, let us look at common mistakes, the blind spots that derail CX strategy. Most CX failures stem from misaligning strategy with business model realities rather than poor execution of tactics. Strategic misalignment errors include applying B2C metrics like NPS to B2B without context, ignoring the critical role of onboarding in B2B, over-automating B2B support, and under-investing in emotional connection for B2C. Organizational design problems often arise from treating CX as a department rather than a system. This leads to account management silos in B2B and inconsistent brand experiences in B2C. Measurement and feedback gaps occur when mixing up real-time versus relationship metrics, failing to conduct account-level analysis in B2B, and prioritizing transactional focus over long-term retention. Context ignorance problems include using a one-size-fits-all strategy, channel strategy mismatches, ignoring decision timelines in B2B, and making single-persona assumptions. Another key takeaway is that CX must reflect the realities of the customer relationship, not internal organizational charts. Aligning strategy with business model dynamics creates sustainable competitive advantages. Now, let us introduce a framework for tailoring CX by model. This practical framework helps design strategies that align with business realities rather than generic best practices. The CX design framework shows key differences. For example, B2C focuses on simplicity and speed, while B2B focuses on depth and onboarding orchestration. Loyalty drivers also differ, favoring convenience in B2C and ROI in B2B. B2C implementation priorities center on frictionless acquisition, emotional brand connection, omnichannel consistency, and predictive personalization to drive repeat purchases. B2B implementation priorities emphasize account orchestration across multiple stakeholders and an outcome focus that demonstrates business value and fosters long-term partnership development. Cross-model success factors include customer intelligence, continuous optimization, employee enablement, and technology integration. Success requires aligning these factors with the specific demands of each model. Cross-functional alignment is achieved through strategy alignment, operational design, measurement integration, and capability development. These steps ensure CX supports the specific business model requirements. Successful CX transformation requires systematic implementation and coordinated execution across strategy, operations, and culture. It must align with business model realities, utilizing clear frameworks. The executive takeaway here is that CX design must reflect how customers buy, use, and renew, not how we want them to behave. Systematic adaptation creates a sustainable competitive advantage. Looking to the future, AI will amplify the differences between B2B and B2C customer experience. Strategic technology investments require understanding how AI capabilities align with each business model. B2C AI focuses on hyper-personalization at scale through emotion detection, instant triage, behavioral personalization, and predictive automation to enhance emotional connection and reduce friction. B2B AI priorities are account intelligence, renewal prediction, agent augmentation, and journey orchestration. The focus is on relationship intelligence and optimizing partnership value. The shared future involves proactive intelligence, with both models benefiting from predictive issue resolution and journey optimization. Success depends on AI systems being context-aware and enhancing human elements. B2C AI investments prioritize automation and personalization engines, while B2B investments focus on account intelligence and relationship analytics. Hybrid capabilities should be configurable for different model requirements. The implementation strategy framework includes business model assessment, targeted pilots, system integration, and scaled deployment, ensuring AI aligns with success drivers and complements human processes. Future success metrics for AI include significant improvement in personalization impact, efficiency gains in resolution time, increased revenue impact on customer lifetime value, and high satisfaction targets. Technology evolution principles emphasize context preservation, human augmentation, adaptive intelligence, and value alignment. AI should amplify human capabilities and support the specific customer value mechanisms. The final executive takeaway: AI must be context-aware, tuned to the customer relationship model, not just customer behavior. Deploying AI to amplify business model strengths creates a competitive advantage.